The first ever combat loss of Russia's main strike fighter, the Su-34, was verified on 5th March, with footage showing the aircraft with tail number 24 being brought down over Ukraine. Major Krasnoruchev, the fighter's pilot, has been taken prisoner by Ukrainian forces in the aftermath. According to reports, the Su-34 was shot down by a Soviet 9K-38 Igla man-portable surface-to-air missile, which Ukraine obtained in large numbers after the Soviet Union fell apart. While the Su-34's electronic warfare countermeasures suite was marketed as one of the best in the world, its countermeasures against infrared-guided surface-to-air missiles may well be less capable.